Hello and welcome to our admin panel tutorial for AllDentall. In this video, we're going to walk through how an admin can configure payment settings, set up commission and tax options, and manage currency settings for the platform. Start by heading to marketplace.alldental.com. Click on the Login button at the top right corner. A login pop-up will appear. Enter your admin credentials and click the Login button. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the admin dashboard. From here, you can manage everything about the platform. Now scroll down the left sidebar and click on Settings, then choose Payment Settings. Here, you'll see a list of supported payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Paystack, Razorpay, Flutterwave, Lizio, Midtrans, Mercado Pago, Paytabs, Bank Transfer, and Cash on Delivery. You don't need to configure all of them. Just choose the ones you want to enable. Let's set up PayPal and Stripe. Click on the PayPal tab. First, enable the status to activate PayPal on your platform. Choose the mode, either Sandbox for testing or Production for live payments. For this demo, we'll use Sandbox mode. Then, enter your PayPal client ID and secret key. You can get these from your PayPal developer account. For demonstration purposes, we're using dummy keys. Select your base currency, let's go with CAD, and then set the transaction fee, for example, 7%. Click Save Changes. Now click on the Stripe tab. Again, enable the status, enter your publishable and secret keys from Stripe, choose the base currency, set the transaction fee, and save changes. Other payment methods follow the same structure. Just provide the respective credentials, choose the base currency, set transaction fees, and save. Below payment settings, you'll see commission and tax settings. You can choose whether to enable or disable the commission feature. The commission rate is the percentage the admin earns from each order. We'll keep it disabled for now. For tax settings, if you want labs to be able to set their own taxes on their products, enable that option. We'll leave it enabled and click Save Changes. To the right, there are invoice settings. Here you can enter extra information to show on invoices, such as VAT numbers, company details, or invoice terms. Let's add a VAT number. For example, VAT number XXXXXXX. This information will now appear on invoices generated after a purchase. Below that, you'll find global tax settings. These allow you to set tax rules by country or region, in addition to any lab-defined taxes. Click Add Tax. Enter the tax name, like GST, set the tax rate, for example 5%, and select where the tax applies. You can choose to apply it on product sales, service payments like memberships or promotions, or both. Enable the status and choose the applicable country, like Canada and states like Alberta or Ontario. You can select multiple regions. Once done, click Add Tax. A success message will appear, and your tax will be applied as configured. Next, let's look at currency settings. On the left sidebar, just below Payment Settings, click Currency Settings. At the top, you'll see your current default currency. You can only select currencies that are enabled below. To enable a new currency, find it in the list and click Select an option, Edit. Fill out the currency name, code, symbol, format, and decide whether to add a space between the amount and the symbol. Most importantly, change the status to active and click Save Changes. Once enabled, the currency becomes available in your default currency dropdown. You also have the option to allow all currencies for ordinary listings, meaning your product prices will be visible in all enabled currencies. You can also enable automatic currency conversion. To do this, use a service like currencyapi.net, openexchangerate.org, or fixer.io. Add your access key, enable automatic updates, and click Save. If you don't want to use an API, you can manually set exchange rates just below. For example, set the USD rate to 0.04, Euro to 1, Rupees to 1, and CAD to 1, or adjust according to your needs. To add a brand new currency, click Add Currency and fill in the same details as before: name, code, symbol, format, and so on. Then click Add Currency and it will be listed. And that's how you manage payment methods, commission settings, tax configurations, and currency options in the AllDentall admin panel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.